Hello everyone, my name is Siti Ajeng Rahayu 15146222050 from Pendidikan Tata Boga. Here I will show you how to make onigiri. So, follow and watch until the end. Ingredients: first, rice, canned tuna, nori, salt, mayonnaise, sesame oil, and less pepper powder. Equipment: onigiri mold, bowl, spoon, frying pan, cutting board, wooden spatula, scissors. First steps is prepare fully cooked rice so it can be molded. Steps 2. Remove the rice, then put it into a large container. Add salt to taste and 5 tablespoons of sesame oil. Then, stir until fully mixed. Step 3. Saute canned tuna briefly, add ground pepper, place in a container, then add 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And mix until smooth. Steps 4. Prepare a rice bowl mold. Mold the rice into water of the mold. Then, add the tuna with mayonnaise. Cover with more rice, then press until firm. And remove the form onigiri. Last steps: cut the nori into long pieces. Place it outside the onigiri. Then, the onigiri is ready to be served. Thank you for watching everyone.